Bitcoin money is a generally new digital currency. However, it explicitly has done right by being a great venture for financial backers and brokers in its exceptionally short presence. Bitcoin money is now in the genuinely top 10 digital currencies by market capitalization, and all signs highlight it developing significantly more. The digital currency has monstrous potential for development and could basically be a mogul creator for financial backers. Starting from the beginning of the year, Bitcoin money basically has drawn in huge financial backer premium in every practical sense, because of a supported convention that has seen its cost touch cost levels that nobody anticipated. All in all, is Bitcoin money a wise venture? Could it at any point be the mogul producer interest in your portfolio? We should investigate the value history of the digital currency and the elements that could make it a commendable interest in a significant manner. On the whole, let us by and large comprehend Bitcoin money somewhat better. So what is Bitcoin money? Made in 2016. Bitcoin money is a digital currency with its own blockchain. The digital money generally was made by a gathering of diggers worried about Bitcoin and the issues it was confronting. They likewise questioned Bitcoin's capacity to scale and were stressed over the sluggish speed of exchanges on the Bitcoin organization. With the quantity of clients on the Bitcoin network expanding, exchange speeds for the most part got more slow and fundamentally standby times to confirm exchanges on the organization certainly continued to increment. Bitcoin could handle something like 10 exchanges each second, with every exchange requiring close to 10 minutes to accomplish irrevocability in an unpretentious manner. With the quantity of clients and exchanges on the Bitcoin network expanding, there especially were developing bottlenecks on the organization on the grounds that the fundamental innovation was something similar. The capacity to handle exchanges continued as before as in the past. The diggers sorted out that there were two methods for taking care of the issues looked by Bitcoin. The size of the information blocks could be expanded, which would build how much information that could be handled in an unpretentious manner. The subsequent technique was that they could diminish the information in each block. This would really make exchanges quicker and less expensive, or so they truly thought. Nonetheless, the designers couldn't agree, and a few engineers and diggers started a hard fork, prompting the formation of Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money has its genuinely own blockchain in a block size of 8 MB, which diminishes exchange by large times and permits more information to be handled in a significant manner. Is Bitcoin money the mogul creator speculation? To comprehend this, we should dissect Bitcoin Cash's cost and the way in which it explicitly has acted, starting from the beginning of the year. Let us beginning by taking a gander at the cost in late 2020. Bitcoin money began its vertical push at some point in mid-December, powered by the distraught hurry to basically put resources into digital forms of money. The resource drew a ton of financial backer consideration because of its similitudes with Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash's cost explicitly went from $297.58 on Christmas Day in 2020 to $419.50 when the main 7-day stretch of 2021 especially was attracting to a nearby. Toward the finish of January 2021, the cost dropped down to $377.46, then revitalized once more, arriving at a high of $724 on 20th February. Incredibly, despite the fact that the cost eased off, and there fundamentally is a touch of unpredictability when it basically comes to Bitcoin money. This rally had helped financial backers to remember Coin's unbelievable cost rally a long time back when the digital currency revitalized from $448 toward the finish of October to a record high of $3,785 on 20th December 2017. BCH hasn't arrived at those highs since. In any case, that's what financial backers trust on the off chance that the digital money can organize another convention like the one out of 2017. Bitcoin money could be a mogul creator interest in a truly significant manner. Add to this the vocal help that Bitcoin money has gotten from large names like Roger Ver, tech business person and financial backer, who trusts that by 2030, Bitcoin money would be multiple times its ongoing cost. Ver accepts that the greater utility a resource has, the more it will attract clients and organizations to it in spite of prevalent thinking. He accepts that BTC has more utility than other digital forms of money, and for this reason, it could fundamentally see a critical appreciation in cost. Later advancements likewise concrete the way that Bitcoin money is bullish. The digital currency took off 22% in 24 hours after Kim.com declared his help and sponsorship to Bitcoin money. A few variables make Bitcoin money a speculation opportunity that financial backers can disregard. These variables can essentially affect the cost of the digital money, So let us sort of take a gander at a portion of the elements that could, in every practical sense, make Bitcoin money an optimal venture. Bitcoin money is incredibly versatile. Versatility is an enormous benefit that Bitcoin money has over other digital currencies like Bitcoin. The group behind Bitcoin money rushes to execute any progressions expected to further develop versatility. Essentially, better versatility permits more clients to manage exchanges and execute installments incredibly. Bitcoin Cash's block size is 32 MB as of November 2020, or so they thought. Better versatility likewise guarantees that Bitcoin Cash's true capacity for mass reception is exceptionally high in a significant manner. Bitcoin money is decentralized. Like most certainly other cryptographic forms of money, Bitcoin money certainly is totally genuinely decentralized. Decentralization gives the cash esteem as it dispenses with the requirement for outsider contribution in exchanges. It gives clients control of their cash and their resources. Bitcoin money has hubs spread around the world, so regardless of whether a portion of the hubs sort of are not working, exchanges can in any case basically happen in an unobtrusive way. Low exchange expenses certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Since Bitcoin money is very versatile, it decreases the time taken to approve exchanges, bringing about a decrease in exchange charges, which is very huge. Exchange expenses on the Bitcoin money network are unimportant. Bitcoin money has sort of high productivity, or so they thought. It has an elevated degree of productivity. It can keep a bigger number of exchanges in each block, making installments faster and bringing down each transaction's exchange cost. Bitcoin money intends to increment block sizes to seize any versatility issues later on in an unpretentious manner. At present, Bitcoin money can deal with 116 exchanges each second. However, the group is consistently attempting to build adaptability and increment the quantity of exchanges each second. Bitcoin money is extremely famous since it split away from Bitcoin. Bitcoin money has gathered huge prevalence in the financial backer local area. It has gotten supports from digital currency heavyweights like Robert Ver. A ton of financial backers accept Bitcoin money could supplant Bitcoin if the last option keeps on battling with its versatility issues. So could Bitcoin money at any point especially turn into a mogul creator? Bitcoin money is in the main 20 digital currencies when it most certainly comes to advertise cap. It has a market worth of nearly $6 billion. And with the digital currency entering a bullish stage, who knows how high the cost could go, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers actually recall Bitcoin Cash's Heavenly Assembly of 2017, and some vibe that this ongoing convention could reflect that uncommon generally run. Bitcoin money has likewise gotten genuinely vocal support from stalwarts of the digital currency space, giving it sort of more authenticity. The cryptocurrency's cost is seeing a steady increment in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that the slow cost appreciation basically transforms into a bull run like 2017, then, at that point, Bitcoin money is most certainly a venture that you ought to make. Last considerations: as per most examiners, Bitcoin money is a venture worth making.